When you need an experienced and professional plumber, look no further than Flat Rate Plumbing Company. When you need a drip, leak, or blockage fixed, you can trust us to solve your plumbing problems fast, the first time. Here are some of the comments that our customers have made. Richard Sickles says, "Never have had a problem utilizing Roy and Flat Rate Plumbing. He is quick to respond to any request and provides fair price and quality workmanship. I have used Flat Rate Plumbing for 30 years and will continue." Dicky Kenyon says, "Roy was on time and did a superb job. Every solder job is extremely clean. He is the professional master plumber that you would have no regrets allowing him into your home. Whatever your plumbing needs, we offer a service to meet them. Call us today for more information about how we can help solve and prevent future plumbing problems today."